Hello friends, we'll see exercise solutions of chapter 1 resources. Answer the following questions. Why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? The distribution of natural resources depends upon the number of physical factors like terrain, climate and altitude. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. What is resource conservation? Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Why are human resources important? People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill, and the technology to do so. So, the human resources are important. What is sustainable development? Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. Tick the correct answer. Which one of the following does not make substance a resource? Option A, utility. Option B, value. Option C, quantity. The answer is quantity. Which one of the following is a human made resource? A. Medicines to treat cancer. B. Spring water. C. Tropical forest. The answer is medicines to treat cancer. Next, complete the statement. Biotic resources are A. Derived from living things. B. Made by human beings. C. Derived from non living things. The answer is option A. Derived from living things. Differentiate between the following. A. Potential and actual resources. Potential resources. Potential resources are not used currently. Actual resources. An actual resource is one which we use currently. Potential resource. It can prove useful and become an actual resource in the future. Actual resource. An actual resource may exhaust in the future. Potential resource. The entire quantity of potential resource may not be known. Actual resource. The actual quantity of an actual resource is known. Potential resource. Example, uranium found in Ladakh. Actual resource. Example, coal deposits. Differentiate between ubiquitous and localized resources. Ubiquitous resources. The resources that are found everywhere are called ubiquitous resources. Localized resources. The resources which are found only in certain places and are localized are called localized resources. Ubiquitous resources, example air. Localized resources, example copper.